Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am ladonnajanay. If you are new here, welcome. I would love to have you a part of my family. I do videos on beauty, fashion, a little bit of lifestyle. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button since you've clicked on this video. If you are not new and you're returning, what's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? For today's video, I filmed another half up, half down hairstyle. This is the third one that I've done on my channel, but I just love them. They're so quick, they're so easy, and they're cute. So this hairstyle, I did it with clip-ins and my natural hair out on top. I will link all my other videos that I've done half up, half down for you guys down below or in the cards. They'll be somewhere. I love this one. I did the soft baby hairs. I tried to at least. I tried to at least. Let me know how I did, y'all. But this hairstyle is giving me cute, quick summer hairstyle. Like, this is, when you say quick summer hairstyle, this is it. This is it. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it was easy enough for you guys to do. In my opinion, this hairstyle on a regular without filming, it takes me 20 minutes at most. If I'm trying to be fancy, I'm going to do like something cute with the top. But other than that, 15 to 20 minutes is all this hairstyle takes me. So like I said, super easy, super quick for the summer. Is giving me what I wanted it to give. Okay. Comment down below. Let me know if you would try it. Let me know if it was easy. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And until my next one, beautiful people, are going to take a section as if you would normally do your half up, half down hairstyle. But for me, I'm going to put more up here because you're going to have a section to cover your clip-ins. I don't know if I told you guys that, but we are going to be using clip-ins instead of like gluing our hair because we just want a temporary slay. Okay. So I'm just going to part, and it does not have to be perfect, okay? It does not have to be perfect. So I'm parting it, and I'm putting more hair on the top just so I can have enough to cover my weft. So once you have your hair parted and, you know, sectioned off or whatever, this is what we have in the back. So super easy, super quick. All we're gonna do is put it in 2 French braids. If y'all can't French braid, just put it in a low bun. You just need something for your clip-ins to stick to. So I'm just gonna put mine into 2 French braids. They don't have to be perfect because no one's gonna see them. So we're just going to section this hair off, and we're going to French braid. So we just pinned them up right now. So right now we're about to clip the hair so we can put our natural hair over, and then we're going to do the top and slay at the top. All my clip-ins are in the Chanel bag. These clip-ins are from Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll put it down below for you guys, but any clip-ins y'all have, do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clip them in. Obviously if you're longer, you have like different lengths, like long ones, short ones, put the longer ones in and then go up longest to shortest. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have 20 and 18 clip-ins here, so I'm going to put all these in my head, and I want it to be very full in the back. So yes, I'm going to put all these are 2 sets, so 2 sets of 7, and I'm probably not going to use both sets, but I'm going to use most. So I'm going to go ahead and just start clipping them in. You know, y'all know how to clip in here, but if not, I'm going to show you guys very, very quickly.
I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my trip up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, that's it. And I see you.
So once you have all of your clip-ins in the back, as many as you want, positioned how you want, how you like it or whatever, we're gonna go in with our natural hair to place over it. So thin section. And I'm going based off of filling. This part may be all types of crooked, but it's okay. It is okay. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Alrighty, so my hair is straightened in the back. I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see what it looks like. I don't know what it looks like, so yeah. But hopefully it's looking good or whatever, because I can't see. But anyways, despite if it looks good or not, we're gonna go ahead and start with the top of the hair. For today, I'm gonna be using this and this with a little bit of this. That's a lot of gels, but I like the gels, like the thick consistency. It holds my hair really, really good. So, and like I said, we need this part to be slick or whatever. So I'm gonna take out my little baby hairs that I'm gonna do. I don't have baby hairs, I have adult hairs.
I took my trip up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it. I got my features out in Georgia, yeah, shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my trip up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it. I got my features out in Georgia. I get my weed from California.
All right, so now we got our little ponytail, nice and slick or whatever. As you can see, nice and slick. So your options are endless as to what you can do with this piece. For me, I'm going to straighten my ponytail and I'm going to have it down. So make sure that you add your heat protectant. I already did. And then you're going to go in, take your comb it out. Ow. Jesus. Go in with this.
But I'm for ya. All I can want, all I can wish for. Nights alone that we miss more. Days we save as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna need more time.
Look at the hair, y'all. It is coming out. Ow! What? It's blending pretty well, I must say. If your hair is shorter than this, you might want to wrap some track hair around it if you have it, or braid it up and add do like a braid. That would be really, really cute. I was gonna do that too, but I just wanted to wear it down for this video. Yeah, for your baby hairs, I wanted to do the soft baby hairs where they don't use the gel, but I don't think my hair will be cute with that, and I don't think I have small enough curlers to do it, and I already added product to it. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and swoop my baby hairs out. I changed my mind. I'm gonna do the soft baby hairs because this side is giving what I wanted to give. Okay, so I'm going with my Got To Be and my little brush. All right, y'all, this is the final look. I am excited. I love it. It's giving me what I wanted it to give to y'all. Ah! So I did the soft baby hairs. The soft baby hairs, okay. I like it. I love it. It's giving what I wanted it to give. What y'all think? Y'all like it? Quick, easy, cute hairstyle for the summertime. You guys, I'm gonna give y'all looks, okay? I'm going to give y'all the looks this summer to slay all day, honey, okay? I'm loving it. I hope you guys love it too. Give it a thumbs up. And until my next one, beautiful people, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye, guys.